The 2006 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, cloth seat trim, rear window wiper, tilt steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.